Yeah, this is Corey Lottery. I'm gonna be more in focus into this numbers this time, even though I'm showing my face right now. I'm gonna be more focused into the numbers. So yeah, let's get into it. The numbers today is gonna be basically for Connecticut Plate 3 drawing. Okay, and these up to date numbers as well. You know what I'm saying? So I'm also show you also the numbers that I'm finna write down on the sheet, so then you can see what I'm doing and stuff. We just focus on one particular number. Okay. Now here's the old way of playing the numbers. So we really focus right into the numbers of the Connecticut numbers. Okay. The numbers going up. Okay. And I'm gonna show you the numbers I did. We kind of like did some of these numbers, like this one here at the bottom, 460, and you see that I focus on to the 460 number. Turn up a little bit. Yeah, 460. And see how we took 1, 2, 3, and we what we doing is adding the numbers up until we get back to 406. So yeah, my numbers. Let me put this on a piece of paper right now where you can see it. I'm putting 1, 2, 3. This is what we are focused on. 1, 2, 3. I should have my marker or something to mark that. So yeah, this is what you basically focus on. 1, 2, 3. I don't want to walk around right now and try to figure out next time I have my marker on me. That's what we focus on. 1, 2, 3. Our numbers 4, 6, 1, 2, 3. We turn it into 5, 2, 9, 6, 4, 2. Because of 5, 2, 9, 1, 2, 3, and 6 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 2 is 4, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So that's how we get 765. And then you take 765 plus 123, get 888. Get 888, 1, 2, 3, and 901. You might see other people do this before. And then you get 901, 1, 2, 3, you get 024, you get 024, 1, 2, 3, you get 147. You take 147, you get and 1, 2, 3, you get 260, and you take 260, 1, 2, 3, you get 383, and then you take that number 383 plus 1, 2, 3, and you get 406. Okay, you see the 406 is the end number. Now, the numbers I was looking for, I looked for numbers in this sequence. We found two numbers, 383, and we found 024. I'm gonna show you where we found that in Connecticut and what date that was. Okay, we're finna look at it right here on the chart list, where we have our chart list, and this is all this because of the booklet. Okay, it's our lottery booklet. 1, 2, 3 lottery book. So we look for 383. Okay, can we find 383? How many days was it? Okay, first we start 460. That's where the numbers at. 739 is 1, 2, 3, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm counting them. 11, 12, 13. Oh shit! I hate that this thing sometimes disappear with the numbers, and it sometimes make me mad a little bit. Let's go find the number 383 first. See where is it at? Yeah, it is 833. So you see it in our number. 833 is 383. Okay, and you see it right there. 833. And what day was that? That was June. We say June the 6th, 15th of June of 15, 2021. So if you from Connecticut, you can look it up. We put up here June 15, 2021. Okay, see June 15, 2021. And that was June 15, 2021. How many days do that take to get from where we at? Today is what? Let's go. Let's start from May, from this number, and we got to get all the way up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It took 17 days, so we put 17 days before the number came out. So that's good to know. It takes that long. Sometimes it takes faster. Okay, now another number, 024, right after that, right? So we seen was 838, right? So where we at? 838 on top. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. 5 days after that was 240. Okay, both of these was box numbers. So yeah, it wasn't a whole lot of big money made from this, but you did get $40. Or actually, this is double number, so it's $80 and $40. So got $120 out of the whole pack. But you like to catch them straight as well, you know. And here's the numbers that I'm focused on. Okay, the number I am focused on, 557. You go back in the old numbers, you know. Make sure you get the older numbers before you start with these new number, like the 282. Might be a while, so I'm going with older number. I see one number and I think it had, okay, it was this 55. I think it's 557. Let me see which number that I seen that was marked. Let me twist this paper around a bit. Sorry about that. Okay. It was, oh man, 460. Can't show no real example. It's the same number that we just looked at, right? Oh, hold on. No, 460 was a different number. Let me see something here. Oh my goodness. Okay. We had 557, right? Then 406 was 406. Oh, that's the 406. That was the 406 number. Sorry about that. That was the 406 number. And this was the 460 number. This was the 460 number here. Okay. Okay. Let's do this back over again. And 406 number was this. So 406 number, I think I did it correct. The 460 number and 024 came out. So 406 0. Here it is right here. 240. And this was the 406 number. Okay, 406 is right here. Okay, you see that 406? And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 days before the number came out. 240. See how that go? 8 days. So it was 8 days. And 240 came out, and it was June of 20 when it came out, 2021. And we started from 024. Let me see, where was 024 at? 406 was in June 11. So June 11 to that number to June 11 for 8 days to June 20. June 11, 2021. Right? Okay, so we see how we got it here. Yeah, June 11 to June 20, the number that came out. Okay, so That's what you basically focus on, you know. In this video, like I said, I wasn't so much focusing on myself, focusing on trying to get you to understand how you catch the numbers. And now, here's my new numbers here. Now, I started with 557. Now, it's like I said, okay, let's go back and make sure we are clear with the 460, okay, at the bottom. Okay, and we don't clear the file, the dates. 4660 right there at the bottom was May 29th, right? So we put here May 29th, right? And we say 2021, right? Okay, we don't have next time with markers where we can see it's real good. Okay, now we see the 606 number that we got marked. That means it came out, and 583 number was marked. Okay, and we put that 9 days, and this was 12 days. It came out straight 606 here in Connecticut. I call it play wild, whatever it is, play 3. Okay, now we'll see it on chart list. Okay, 460. Now, if that's 12, if it took 12 days, let's see 606 right now. Okay, we want to know what date it was and everything. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, I'm counting 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 606. Yeah, 606. June the 10th, 2021. June the 10th, 2021. So everybody see that, right? 606. You got my marker, right? Straight. So we put on the board straight. It's 9 days after that. You see 583, and we're gonna do this again. Pull this down. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, we said 9 days, right? 9 days. 9 days, right? That's 583, right? It's supposed to be 583. We missed it. I was somehow. Okay, we said 606, right? What was 583? 2, 3, 4. What's the number again? 460. Yeah, I thought it was showing 583. Oh, 385. That's why. It was 385. June the 7th. Where my cursor is, see that? 385. June the 7th. So, where was this location at? It was like 1, 2, 3 numbers below this number. Okay? It was 3 numbers below that number, and it was 9 days. So, here, we go back here, we count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days right there. 3, 8, 5. Okay, and that was June the 7th. Put down June the 7th here. Hey. Then okay, so we're going to start up and tell you. Here's our Connecticut numbers for today. Okay, we started from 557. We show you where 557 was located at. Okay. Okay. 557 was June the 12th. Okay, 557. What is it right there? June the 12th, 2021. And then okay, so here's our numbers for 557 for 123 number. So you got 670, you got 793, you got 816, you got 939, you got 052, 175, 298, 311, 434. And it's 557 back. Reason why I was doing this is because I was looking at the last number, and it was 4-6 that we seen the last number that came out. but we haven't seen a number come out to 557 number. Instead of going all the way out to 240 and waiting for a long time, catch a number. We started right here at 557. So those numbers is right there for you. And once again, we'll put the numbers down here for you. And the numbers is 670. If you see that, that's your first number. The second number is like 9 numbers, 793. You see that? Next time we have markers for you. Third number was 816. This is for Connecticut Play 3 only. You can use it for other plays too, but this is better here. 939, 5, and then you got 052. Okay, and then you got 175, and then you got 7 number was 298, and you got the 8th number 311, and the 9th number is 434. Okay, we finished with our Connecticut numbers. So you finished with your Connecticut numbers. Thank you for tuning in. This is, like I said, once again, this is Corey Lottery. I want you to make sure everybody understand that I'm focused, and I want you to catch these numbers as much as I want to. And these numbers are going to come out, and they should be coming out by 30 days. But I'm sure in my head, I'm thinking the next 10 days, these numbers will come out. Okay, but yeah, play them up to 30 days, and hopefully you get a straight win on one of these numbers. And I'm going to show you other ways how you can pull those numbers where you can get straight wins as well. Okay, down the line when you want to play a little extra more money onto it. Thank you. This is Corey Lottery at Connecticut Play 3. Thank you and have a good day.